بہتر ہوگا کہ آپ چپ رہیں. You had better keep silent. You had better keep silent. وہ اپنی ہنسی نہیں روک سکتی. She can't stop laughing. She can't stop laughing. آپ کو مجھے بتانا چاہیے تھا. You should have informed me. You should have informed me. کاش وہ یہاں آ جاتا. Would that he had come here. Would that he had come here. میں وہاں گیا لیکن مجھے کوئی نظر نہیں آیا. I went there but I saw nobody. I went there but I saw nobody. میں واپس جاؤں گا. I'll go back. I'll go back. دفتر میں کوئی نہیں تھا. There was nobody in the office. There was nobody in the office. اس کی عزت باقی نہیں رہی. He has left no respect. He has left no respect. ایک نوالا لقمہ لیں. Take a bite. Take a bite. آپ کو یہ کس نے کہا؟ Who told you that? Who told you that? آج اندھیرا ہے. It is dark today. It is dark today. زیادہ دیر نہ لگائیں. Don't take long. Don't take long. کل ملیں گے. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. اسے عقل نہیں ہے. He doesn't have sense. He doesn't have sense. میں جانتا ہوں کہ اپنا پیسہ کیسے نکالنا ہے. I know how to draw my money. I know how to draw my money. وہ اپنی کمزوری سے واقف ہے. He is aware of his weakness. He is aware of his weakness. اس کے رویے سے تنگ آ گیا. I got fed up with his behavior. I got fed up with his behavior. کتنی تکلیف کی بات ہے. How tragic. How tragic. رسمی نہ بنو یا تکلف نہ کرو. Don't be formal. Don't be formal. میں نے اس سے پہلے کبھی نہیں سنا تھا. I never heard that before. I never heard that before.